And the point I'm trying to make in my lectures, and the point I'm probably trying to make a bit here, is effectively economics is really a set of tools to study human behavior. And human behavior includes crime. So basically, who becomes a criminal, what are the sort of the major determinants, what are the major thought processes, how can we use that to then maybe motivate empirical estimates, studies in public policy and things like that. And I mean, obviously you can use these two to talk about money trade and forecasting as well. But, yeah. So, economics of crime is pretty old. Basically, it was pioneered by Gary Becker. Gary Becker won the Nobel Prize in '92 for effectively broadening the applications of economics to all sorts of things. So Becker wrote things on discrimination, on things like time use, on people's decision to have children, on marriage, and things like that. And one of his probably most famous things is the idea to look at criminals really as rational people following incentives. Now, to some extent, that's maybe less revolutionary today, but back in the 60s, that was actually pretty revolutionary because lots of people still thought from this idea that basically there is something morally wrong about people who turn to crime. So there is some sort of moral deficiency in them. And effectively, Becker kind of really turned away from that and said, well, actually, let's just think about that as people reacting to economic incentives. And he came up with something that's very, very simple. So basically, his idea is, okay, so if we think